ए वेरी वार्म वेलकम टू ऑल माय स्टूडेंट्स। आज मैं आप लोगों को एनसीईआरटी मैथमेटिक्स बुक ऑफ क्लास सिक्स मैथमेटिक्स बुक का लेसन 4 बेसिक ज्योमेट्रिकल आइडियाज़ का एक्सरसाइज 4.1 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, 4, 5, 6 बताने जा रहा हूँ। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 कहता है हाउ मेनी लाइन्स कैन पास थ्रू वन गिवन पॉइंट। अगर एक पॉइंट है तो इससे कितना लाइन जा सकता है, तो इससे आप जितना भी अनकाउंटेबल नाउन लाइन्स कैन बी ड्रॉन थ्रू वन पॉइंट। अनकाउंटेबल लाइन्स कैन बी ड्रॉन थ्रू देम। infinite number of lines, because one point cannot distinguish any line. So from one point uncountable lines or infinite number of lines can be drawn. Second question B says two given point. If there is 2 points, how many lines can be drawn? From 2 points only one line can be drawn. Only one line can be drawn. Then question number 5 में कहता है draw a rough figure and label suitably in each of the following cases. ये केस दिया हुआ है ABCD 4 क्वेश्चन है। कह रहा है कि एक रफ डायग्राम ड्रॉ कीजिए और इसको दिखलाइए। तो पहला में है ए में है पॉइंट P लाइज ऑन AB यहाँ पे लाइन सेगमेंट है। सो ड्रॉ ए लाइन सेगमेंट AB like this and point P lies on them. Point P lies means P जो है लाइन पे है P. Next B XY and PQ ये लाइन दिया हुआ है intersect at M. So take like this. This one is XY, this one is PQ. They are meeting at the point M. This is called intersects. Line L contain E and F but not D. So take a line, this is line L. It contain EF. We are taking 2 point EF, but D is out of this line anywhere. Not lying, मैंने उस पर नहीं है, ठीक है। उसके बाद कह रहा है कि OP and OQ meet at O. OP and OQ meet at, two lines are there. OP means OP and OQ are meeting at O. This is the line. Next question number 6. Question number 6. Consider the following figure of line MN. Line MN is given. Say whether following statement are true or false in context of the given figure. This figure is given. On this figure MN is the line on which Q, M, O and P are the points. Then question number 1, Q, M, O and P are points on line MN. This is true because all the points are lying on this line. Then M, O, N are points on line segment MN. M, O, N line segment from here to here MN. So this one is also true. C, M and N are end point of line segment MN. That is also true. Question D, O and N are end point of line segment OP. O and N are end point of OP. OP is out of ON, so this one is false. Then question number E, M is one of the end point of line segment QO. QO and O is in between, so this is also false. Then question number F, M is point on ray OP. M is point on ray OP. OP is, this one is the ray O and P from here to here. It is saying M is the point on ray, it is out of, so it is false. Then ray OP is different from ray QP. OP and QP, their end point, starting point is different, so it is different. I think it is different. G, that is ray OP is different from ray OQ. That is true. It is different. Ray OP is same as ray OM. OP is same as OM. Both are moving other direction. So it is ray OP same as, that is false. Ray OP same as ray OM. OM same, they are not same, so it is false. Then question number I, ray OM is opposite to ray OP. OM opposite, this one is true, ये सही है. O is not an initial point of OP. O से अगर OP कह रहा है, O is initial point, that is true. That is true. O is not an initial. O is not an initial. O is the initial point, so it is false. O is initial point, this one is false. O P, for this ray, this is the initial point. And after this J, one more question is K. We have K. Question number K, it says N is the initial point of NP. N is the initial point for NP and NM. So that is true. For K also, question number K, that is true. So I have finished exercise 4.1. In this video, we have done question number 4, 5 and 6. Learn the question properly, prepare it, and see my channel. For viewing my channel, thanks to everyone.